in today's video, we'll be talking about the work documentation. This is one of the very important and crucial document because this gives you a lot of points in your PR application. So one is your foreign experience and one is your Canadian experience. Both have different points that is gathered in your application. For Canadian experience as well as for foreign experience, document wise, it's gonna be the same. The document format will be the same. So let's see a format that I'm showing on the right side of the screen. You can have a similar format, and then on the first page you can put this, and next you can follow up with the documents that are put here with page number, right? This will give the examiner or the PR application checker a glimpse of what is there in the document, so that he is confirmed that okay, these documents are there. I just have to verify them quickly. So now if you see the heading, it says XXX Canada Inc. That is your company name. Date of joining, date of leaving, that shows the duration you are applying for. So maybe it is, if it is Canadian experience, 1 year plus is written because I had applied for 1 year, which gave me like 50 points. For if you have worked, if it is a foreign experience, you can put 3.5 years or something like that. You can change that. NOC, so I've clearly specified what NOC I worked in for this particular job, and role. So I'm saying okay, I was a computer and information systems manager, but the role in my company for this profile was program manager, right? Now so that is key point number one. Key point number two, for each job one document is to be created. So for example, you worked in 3 jobs with similar or different NOC, whatever the case is, you have to create 3 separate documents with the same front page, and then all these employment records that is shown. So for 4 jobs, you'll have 4 Word or PDF document that you'll be uploading. You'll get like 4 places, different rows to upload your documents with the name specified, so you can't skip it. If you have declared it, you have to upload a document for that particular job. If you worked in different country for the same employer, for example, you are working for a MNC like Tata Consultancy Services, so in Canada it is TCS Canada, in India it is TCS Limited, in Malaysia it is TCS SD and BHD. So similarly, you have to create different documents for each country, because if the country changes, a lot of things changes, like your permit there, your stay, everything that you have declared at different places, they need to tally. So for that, even if you are in deputation in some other country, create a different document for that particular thing. And first page of each job can be shown, that is this document, the right document that we are talking about. Now we'll talk more about the employment record, what all you should give. So definitely you should give joining or appointment letter, whatever the first thing you received from the company, and then first 3 months salary slip saying that okay, you started on this date and you are getting money from that particular day. If you have T4 or tax clearance from whatever country you have, that will add up the value to it. If you don't have it, you can skip that. Compensation letters in between. So for example, you worked for 4 years, every year you had some increment, so okay, you join on this date, these are the salary slips and these are the compensation letters in between yearly, so that shows that you were continuous in the job. Last 3 months salary slip, which shows that okay, you were till this date, and bona fide letter, if you have it, very good. So but a bona fide letter is kind of a lot of companies give, so if you have it, you should put it. That can be optional. But a reference letter, this is very important. I've seen a lot of rejections because of reference letter, so definitely you have to put that. And let's talk more about reference letter, because this is one of the very crucial documents, and we have to be very deliberate while putting this, and from whom you are getting. It can be either your manager or your peer, both. I used my peer for this and it was accepted. So I'm giving the exact same document that I used for my peer. This document is important because it shows what NOC code you filled in and you belong to that, because the duties and responsibilities shown here, that shows that okay, this guy worked for this particular NOC and he is the right person. So that's what is being checked here in this document. So this should be on company's letterhead but not compulsory. This can be on a A4 sheet written by hand or printed with a signature on it below. No worries. I used it like printed version with a signature of the person. So for example, John Doe is my project manager, so he can on the top write his name, he can put his company's email address where he can be contacted, he can give his phone number and reference number and the date when he is filling this for you, and then he can write to whom it may concern. I, John Doe, hereby certify as counterpart of, maybe your name is Tom, so as a counterpart of Tom, that he is working with this company as whatever role you're working on. And then the duties and responsibility of your name as your role are as follows. So this particular thing, how to get it exactly. So I'll now show you how to exactly get that. You can go on Google, go to your, just write your NOC code, whatever you are filling your application in. You already know what it is when you are applying for it. You already researched it. So you have put your NOC code, and then you can open this statcan.gc.ca website I'm showing right on the screen. This is the first Google result. Open that and you will see the main duties of, if you are applying for Computer Information Systems Manager, these are the duties, and these duties need to be there in the document. So you can see that I just took everything from here, and whatever was relevant for me I have put it in that forms. For example, plan, organize, direct, control and evaluate. So you can see here, plan, organize, direct, control and evaluate the development of information systems. So I've basically taken it from here, all the main duties, and I have put it in the application form. This is very important and do not do this mistake. Alright, I wish you all the best for your journey of the PR application process. This was 12th episode, and please visit all the before videos, the 10 videos as well, because they're gonna be very crucial for your PR documentation process. Thank you very much. Do like and subscribe. Thanks.